Okay, so today we'll see how to create a generic class. So in C sharp, so let's add a class and let's call this class calculus.cs. Now this is our first generic class. Let's add a public keyword and let's say it takes two types, t1 comma t2. Now we have a public method which will return, uh, now let's do this. uh, Public void make a method called add which take two parameter t1 uh, comma t2. So this function is taking two parameter. One parameter is of type t1 and second is of type t2. Now let's say we just want to add these t1 plus t2 and return it. Yeah, now we are getting this problem, so let's do one thing. Let's define a dynamic variable called result, and now let's say result is equal to uh, t1 plus t2, and now return this result. Now it should be fine. Okay, here it's complaining because, so now operator plus can apply to yeah, that is correct. So let's do one thing. Let's just return without doing any operation. Let's return t1. Whatever t1 we are getting, let's return this. Save it, come to program. Now when you create the object of this class, you have to define these two types. So let's say one is integer, one is string. Cal is equal to new string. Now cal dot add, and now we are passing. So one is integer, so let's say 5. Second is string, so let's say Akash. Now if we say console dot write line, let's take this result in var result, and now display this result dot to string, and let's see what we get. So here the expected result is 5 because we are just returning the first parameter which is being passed. So let's try to run it and let's see what we get. So okay, so we need to make this project as set as a startup project. Now it should be fine. So we are getting the output as 5, so it's good. So this is how we create the generic classes. Thanks for watching.